What are we riding today?
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole with real fire. All right, guys, here we go. You ready? Fire in the hole. Welcome to Silver Dollar City. Here we are.
The ball knockers have set the whole town ablaze. Go!
Oh, that's not good. All right, here we go, guys. Oh no!
I'll have to shoot. Go ahead, Marshall. You could hit the broadside of the barn.
Good, got those bad guys. All right, what do we have here? Guess what? Fireman butt. All right, here we go, guys. He is scary. All right, what is going to happen to us next?
The blowovers are gonna blow up the bridge.
Oh, that is not good news. Oh man. I have a very bad feeling about this.
I don't trust those ball knobbers.
I do not trust the ball knobbers either.
Oh, I see an eerie orange glow.
Yeah, I do. Oh no, that's not good. That's not okay.
He's a bad guy.
Look at them. They look so proud of themselves.
Bridge ain't going to hole.
Oh no. Got you guys.
Dynamite to blow up the water tower and put out the fire.
Oh no!
Don't throw that switch! The train's coming that way!
This is not good, is
It's a
it?
dangerous place.
I definitely feel like there's a train ahead. Oh man. Oh no! There's a train! Oh, what are we gonna do? Oh! Oh no!
Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole! Oh! Whee! Oh, we got sklooshed.
Light exclusion.
Whoa, a little bit of light wetness, light skloosing happened.
That's important when there's fire.
Yes. Yeah, if there's fire, there's got to be water. And oh wait, we're at a dance party. Oh man, I love that we went from fire to dance party. All right, how do we do? Fire in the hole!